So who told there is no pixel experience available for Redmi Y2? Well, there is pixel experience officially available for Redmi Y2, just renamed to Evolution OS. So Evolution OS checkmarks every requirement that a user needs. It gives best performance, best battery, and best gaming experience. So first, going to the about phone section, here as you can see, the Evolution X version is 4.3 and it is official. Android version is 10 and the security patch is May. Soon, July update will be released. There is also Evolution 4.5 unofficially available for Redmi Y2. The kernel version is 3.18 QWERTY Turbo Final. Now going back, all the basic functionalities like calling, Wi-Fi, mobile data and hotspot are working. So let us try and connect a call. Now going back to settings, going to battery. Speaking about the battery backup, it is as expected by a Pixel Experience ROM. The performance also is quite good. Now going back, going to Evolver, here you get Evolution X exclusive features. Now going to themes here, you get to change the accent color picker, accent color, headline body font, icon shape, status bar icon. You also get to set header image. If you go in, set it to static and pick an image, you can pick any of your choice and it will be set as shown. Now scrolling down, here you get to enable or disable blur. This is basically the blur that is applied behind the notification panel. So if you turn off the blur, it looks something like this. Now going back, going to status bar, here going to clock options, you get all the general options that you get in other custom ROMs. Now going back, now here going to battery bar, enabling it, you get a bar on the notification panel. Here as you can see, you can change the color in this option. Now scrolling down, you also can use a gradient color. Now going back, scrolling down to status bar logo, you can also enable status bar logo on your notification panel. As you can see, it's up to you whether you like it or not. Now going back, here you get to change battery style. You get the options icon portrait, circle, circle filled, text, hidden, circle, big circle. Now scrolling down, you also can enable display VoLTE icon. Now going back, going to notification panel, here you get edge lighting notification options. You can enable it and customize it according to your preference. Now scrolling down, here you get a special feature where if you are talking to someone on the call, if anyone else calls you, the flashlight blinks. You can enable it and use the option. Now going back, going to quick settings, here you get the option to hide battery icon. Here as you can see, the battery icon is hidden, whereas if you turn it off, you can see the battery icon. Now you also get smart pull down option and quick pull down. Scrolling down, you get to change the slider position and also can enable or disable automatic brightness icon. Coming all the way down, you get the option to enable user switcher icon. That is, you can switch user using the icon. Now going back, going to power options, you get general traditional options that every ROM provides you. Scrolling down, you also get the option to hide options like advanced restart in lock screen. Now going back, going to gestures, here you get general gestures like swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot and adjust brightness slider by sliding across the status bar gesture. You can enable it if you use it. I personally use it and I'll enable. Coming down, you also get the option to enable torch by long pressing the power button. Make sure that you are in the lock screen and locked while doing this activity. Now going back, going to navigation. Here you get general navigation options and also you get volume rocker wake option. Also you can answer your calls from volume rocker. You also can change tracks using the volume rockers. Now coming down, now going back, going to miscellaneous. Here you get gaming mode. Gaming on this ROM is quite okay and I would say Corvus OS or Oxygen OS is best for gaming. Going to screenshot type, you get two types of screenshot, that is take full screenshot and drag selection on the area you want to take a screenshot. Now scrolling down, here you can change USB configuration by default. Now going back, going to animations. These are developer options that you can use it if you know. Going to display. Here you obviously get dark theme as it's Android 10. Now scrolling down, you get to change font size and also screen timeout. Now going to security. Finally on this ROM you get face unlock. It works fine. Now going back, going to system, going to system update. Here you get an OTA updater which will make sure that you are up to date. Now going back, you also get this live wallpaper built in which you can play with. The default launcher provided here is Pixel Experience and it's quite smooth. Even the app transitions are smooth and there are no lags. The RAM management on this ROM is quite well done and also the battery backup is very good. Speaking about camera, you get Snapdragon camera pre-installed. Now if you want to install Evolution OS on your Redmi Y2, make sure you download a file that I have linked in the description. G-apps are pre-built. So once you have downloaded the file, reboot to recovery. So here, go to wipe and wipe Dalvik cache, system and data. Once done, go back and navigate to the file you downloaded. The file name should be Evolution X 4.3 YSL or maybe 4.5 when you are installing. So once you are navigated here, flash it and reboot. You will be rebooted into Evolution OS. So if you enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe for more updates.